Today I have been working on the masterclasses. I've been delivering a couple of sessions, a mix of sort of discussions, brainstorming, but also me giving them a little bit of an insight into how the industry works, giving them the tools that they need in order to make sure that they themselves are making a living out of their collections.
At university, there isn't that much business support. You don't really learn about the marketing or how to mark up. So I think things like this are really, really important, and I'd definitely do them again.
Jen's talk was really useful. I've never attended a class like that. So a lot of things that she said was really in-depth, and it's good to really put things into perspective for a new brand like myself.
The instructor gave us a really good plan that what you should consider and then how you should structure your business from the beginning. I think it's really helpful.
Fashion Scout is doing a great job in choosing a topic that is very important for anyone thinking about starting the fashion industry right now. With these master classes, they are bringing reality into action.
Don't sit on the fence, just join it.